So today we're unboxing a box of hard drives. This box includes a portable 4TB hard drive and two 1TB solid state Western Digital hard drives. And I also got a USB-C to USB adapter from TP-Link, just for my MacBook. Here are the two SSDs. And here is my passport 4TB drive. So I'll unbox my passport. So here we have the USB cable and the hard drive. Okay, so now we have the WD Blue 1TB solid state drives. And now we have the TP-Link USB-C to USB-A adapter. And I've got two new 3TB hard drives to replace the ones in my other NAS. These ones came from eBay, so they don't come with any boxing, but they're a lot cheaper as a result. So they're the exact same product.